Welcome to Napa Valley. This stunning region in California is a dream destination for many travelers. Imagine rolling vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see, charming towns with unique character, and world-class wines that delight the senses. Napa Valley has it all. Whether you're a wine enthusiast eager to explore the best vintages or just looking for a beautiful getaway, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the must-see spots and unforgettable experiences that await you in this picturesque region. Napa Valley is renowned for its exceptional wines, attracting connoisseurs from around the globe. Its Mediterranean-like climate and fertile soil create the perfect environment for growing a variety of grapes, each contributing to the valley's diverse wine offerings. With over 400 wineries, you'll find a vast selection of wines to tantalize your taste buds, from robust reds to crisp whites. But Napa Valley is more than just wine. It's a destination that offers a rich tapestry of experiences. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in nature's beauty, with endless opportunities for outdoor adventures. Hike or bike through picturesque vineyards, taking in the stunning scenery at every turn. Take a hot air balloon ride for breathtaking views of the valley from above, a truly unforgettable experience. Or kayak along the tranquil Napa River, where you can enjoy the serene landscape from a different perspective. The possibilities for outdoor adventure are endless, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. Beyond the vineyards, Napa Valley is home to charming towns, each with its own unique character and charm. Explore the vibrant art scene, indulge in farm-to-table cuisine, and discover hidden gems off the beaten path, making every visit a new adventure. Napa Valley has something for everyone, promising an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return. So, get ready to embark on an incredible journey through Napa Valley, where every moment is filled with wonder and delight. Let's uncork the magic of this captivating destination and create memories that will last a lifetime. No trip to Napa Valley is complete without experiencing its world-famous wines. The region is renowned for its exceptional wine production, drawing enthusiasts from all over the globe. With over 400 wineries, each offering a unique taste and experience, it can be tough to choose where to start. The sheer variety can be overwhelming, but that's part of the adventure. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or a curious beginner, there's something for everyone. For a truly unique experience, head to Castello di Amorosa. This isn't just a winery, it's a journey back in time. This stunning 13th century Tuscan castle will transport you back in time. Explore its cellars, which are filled with history and character, indulge in their award-winning wines, each sip telling a story of its own, and soak in the breathtaking vineyard views. The scenery here is nothing short of spectacular. If you're looking for a more classic Napa experience, V. Satui Winery is a must-visit. This place is steeped in tradition and charm. Founded in 1885, this family-owned winery offers a taste of history. It's like stepping into a different era. Sample their diverse selection of wines, each crafted with care and passion. Stroll through their beautiful vineyards, which offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle, and experience the warmth of their hospitality. The staff here make you feel like part of the family. For wine lovers seeking the ultimate indulgence, Opus One Winery is a dream destination. This is where luxury meets legacy. This iconic winery, a collaboration between Robert Mondavi and Baron Philippe de Rothschild, produces some of the world's most sought-after wines. Their partnership is legendary. Book a tasting in advance to experience their elegant wines and stunning architecture. It's an experience you won't forget. Remember to book your tastings in advance, especially during peak season. Planning ahead ensures you won't miss out. And don't be afraid to explore. Napa Valley is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten path and discover smaller, family-owned wineries for a more intimate experience. These places often offer the most memorable moments. Napa Valley's beauty extends far beyond its vineyards. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty of ways to connect with nature and enjoy the fresh air. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the trails that wind through the vineyards and rolling hills. For a unique perspective, hop on a bike and cycle through the scenic countryside. The Napa Valley Vine Trail offers over 47 miles of paved paths, perfect for a leisurely ride or a challenging workout. For a truly unforgettable experience, soar above the valley in a hot air balloon. Drift over the vineyards as the sun rises, casting a golden glow on the landscape. It's a magical way to appreciate the beauty of Napa Valley from a different angle. If you prefer water activities, head to the Napa River. Rent a kayak or paddleboard and enjoy a leisurely paddle along the calm waters. As you glide along the river, you'll be surrounded by stunning scenery, including vineyards, wildlife, and charming bridges. Napa Valley is a feast for the senses, and its culinary scene is no exception. This picturesque region is not just about wine, it's a haven for food enthusiasts and art lovers alike. From Michelin-starred restaurants to charming cafes, Napa Valley offers a diverse range of dining experiences to satisfy every palate. Whether you're in the mood for a luxurious multi-course meal or a cozy brunch, you'll find it here. Indulge in the region's farm-to-table ethos, where fresh seasonal ingredients take center stage. The commitment to sustainability and quality is evident in every bite. Many restaurants source their produce from local farms, ensuring the highest quality and freshest flavors. This close connection to the land is what makes Napa Valley's cuisine so special. Savor innovative dishes that highlight the bounty of Napa Valley. Chefs here are artists in their own right, crafting meals that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. For a taste of Napa Valley's culinary delights, a visit to the Oxbow Public Market is a must. This vibrant hub is a gathering place for foodies and locals alike. This bustling marketplace is a food lover's paradise, with artisan vendors offering everything from gourmet cheeses and charcuterie to freshly baked bread and pastries. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Grab a bite to eat, sample local wines, and soak up the lively atmosphere. The market is a perfect spot to experience the community spirit of Napa Valley. Napa Valley's creativity extends beyond the kitchen. The region is also a haven for artists and art enthusiasts. The region boasts a thriving art scene, with galleries showcasing a diverse range of styles and mediums. From contemporary pieces to classic works, there's something for every art lover. Visit the DeRosa Center for Contemporary Art to admire contemporary sculptures, paintings, and installations set against the backdrop of rolling vineyards. It's a unique blend of natural beauty and artistic expression that you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive into the heart of the action. This vibrant hub is where everything comes together. It's where the energy is palpable, and the excitement never seems to fade. You can feel the pulse of the community here, and it's truly something special. Whether you're exploring the local markets, enjoying a live performance, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, there's always something happening. It's a place that invites you to be a part of it, to join in the fun and experience the lively spirit firsthand. So come on, let's see what makes this hub so vibrant and full of life. The rejuvenating mud baths of Napa Valley. These geothermal wonders have been a cherished tradition for centuries. Imagine sinking into warm, mineral-rich mud, letting all your stress melt away. It's an experience like no other, revitalizing both body and mind. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned spa-goer, Napa's mud baths offer a unique blend of relaxation and natural healing. Beyond the well-trodden paths, Napa Valley is brimming with hidden gems and local favorites. From quaint, family-owned wineries to charming boutiques and cozy cafes, there's so much to discover. These lesser-known spots often offer the most authentic experiences, giving you a true taste of the valley's rich culture and hospitality. So, take a detour, explore the roads less traveled, and uncover the delightful surprises Napa has to offer. Planning your trip to Napa Valley can be as exciting as the visit itself. Start by deciding the best time to go. Spring and fall are particularly enchanting with mild weather and vibrant scenery. Make sure to book your accommodations and wine tastings in advance, as spots can fill up quickly. And don't forget to leave some room in your itinerary for spontaneous adventures. Whether it's a hot air balloon ride at sunrise or a leisurely bike tour through the vineyards, Napa Valley promises unforgettable moments. Finally, it's time to uncork the magic of Napa Valley. Each bottle of wine tells a story, from the vineyard where the grapes were grown to the passion of the winemakers. As you sip and savor, you'll find yourself immersed in the art and science of viticulture. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or a casual enthusiast, Napa Valley invites you to explore, taste, and celebrate the magic of its world-renowned wines. Cheers to unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay adventurous until then. See you on the next one.